Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up and use Odoo's lead management features. Odoo CRM app allows you to easily track and manage your sales leads from initial contact to conversion. To get started, we're going to go to the CRM app and click on the leads menu. Here you can add a new lead by clicking the new button. And here you can add basic information such as the lead's name, contact details, and source of acquisition. And you can also assign a salesperson to the lead, and you can even add notes. So we're going to add here product pricing. Say and we're going to put their phone number. Alright, once you've added the lead, you can track its progress through the sales pipeline by updating its status to an opportunity. Here you can create a new customer or link to an existing customer, or to not link to any. So we're going to create the opportunity, and we are going to travel to our pipeline. And there we go, here it is. Odoo comes with a default sales pipeline that includes stages such as new, qualified, proposition, and won. You can also create custom stages to fit your specific sales processes. So let's say we create one for lost. As you saw before, to convert a lead into a customer, all you have to do is click on the Convert to Opportunity button. This will create a new opportunity record with all the information from the lead. You can then continue to manage the opportunity through the sales pipeline until it's won or lost. So let's say this one was won. To analyze your lead management data, Odoo provides a variety of reports and dashboards. These include the forecast, pipeline, leads, and activities reports. And that's it. With Odoo CRM module, you can easily track and manage your sales leads and improve your sales performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Odoo tutorials for more tips and tricks. Bye!